KCET 2025 students, so the round 2 results are out. The dates for payment has been extended, but still there are so many problems in downloading the challan for payment of the payment of fees for students who have selected choice 1 and choice 2. So in this video I'll again show you how you can download the challan so that you can make the payment. Okay, so first of all you have to after you have selected the choice, okay, you have confirmed which choice you are taking, choice 1, choice 2 or choice 3, choice 4. So once you have done with the choice, you have to again come to the home page, and here you can see there's an option download challan or pay online. Okay, so once you click on this download challan, okay, so you will be having this type of interface. Okay, it will be in one page. I have broken it. So here you can see there are some important instructions, like the payment account should be in the name of the student or the student's parent. Okay, that's the first important instruction. Next, there will be only NEFT and RTGS payment, no IMPS allowed payment will be made, and you should also check the beneficiary account number before doing the payment. And lastly, you have to wait for 4 hours after making the payment. So there might happen that you have made the payment but the confirmation has not yet come, so you have to wait for 4 hours for the confirmation of the payment. And once that is done, you have to click, you have read all the instructions, so just check this box that I have read all the instructions and you have understood that, and go for proceed button. So once you click on the proceed button, you will be directed to this page where you can actually download the challan. So there are 3 banks for downloading challan, Union Bank, Bank of Baroda and HDFC Bank. Okay, so now you don't have to have account in any of this bank to have to pay to make the payment. You can select any bank which is nearby to your location. You can select this and then click on download challan button. Okay, and on the right hand side your details will be given, so you have to just verify them. Okay, just verify all the details like your CT number, candidate name, your category, allotment date. So all this information you have to cross check before making the payment. Okay, once you click on this download challan, the challan will be downloaded like this, and you will have 3 copies. One will be your bank copy, student copy and college copy. Okay, so you have to go to the respective bank and do the payment. Okay, now I have seen so many comments that students are saying that a challan download process is very difficult or you're not able to download the challan. So please keep trying at various intervals, you should be able to do it. But if that is not happening, please do not wait for the last moment. You can pay online also, right? So make sure if this challan process is not working somehow, because tomorrow is the last date for payment, so please make sure that you are doing the payment online. That will take less time and it will not have this much issues also. Okay, so that's all in this video, students. If you still face any problem, please let me know in the comment section. We'll try to address it. Thank you for watching and all the very best.